Hello everybody, I am Nicolette and I would like to welcome each and every one of you to my channel, Immaculate Life. And this video is going to be about a question that one of my clients sent me, so stay tuned.
Booyaka booyaka! Welcome to my channel!
So I hope everybody is doing well and taking care of themselves and doing everything that they're supposed to do to make sure they stay safe. This video is going to be about something that my client has sent me. But first, before we get started, I would love for you all to hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe key. This video was inspired by one of my clients. Okay, so she sent me a text a couple of days ago. As you all know, we are still in quarantine. We probably won't get back to work until maybe like the beginning of June, end of May. This client is one of those clients that was, she would come every 2 weeks. She would get her deep conditioning. She would get her trim. She did everything exactly right. She was on it. She needs her hair shampoo. She's trying to do herself. So I would, she texted me. I told her what to use and stuff like that. When you go to the hair salon, you are used to the stylist taking care of the hair and doing things. So with that being said, this video is going to be about the reasons the hair is dry. So her question was, my hair is still dry. I have no idea why it is dry. Could it be the products I'm using? I'm not sure. So let's go into the video, and I'm going to start with the first reason why. And I think in some of my videos, some of these things that I'm about to mention, I have mentioned in my other videos. So please go check out those videos because they kind of relate. The difference between the two is I was doing a video on my hair. I think I did a how to take care of your natural hair video. This particular video is going to be about the reasons that the hair can be dry. The first reason why the hair could be dry is the water temperature. It is very important that you don't use hot water on the hair. The reason is because you're drying the hair out. You're not only drying your hair out, but you're also drying your scalp out, which would also cause itchiness, of course, dryness, flare-ups if you have eczema of the scalp, psoriasis of the scalp. So that can cause the hair to be dry. So you want to make sure that you use like warm water, not hot. It's definitely going to dry the hair out. So that's number one. Another reason why the hair can be dry is because of the shampoo. You want to make sure that you're using a sulfate-free shampoo. I mentioned this in some of my other videos. The reason why you want to use a sulfate-free shampoo because sulfate has harsh chemicals in it, so it's going to strip your hair of its natural oils. Let me just put it, it's going to take the natural oils out. So there is one particular sulfate shampoo that I do use, and that is a deep cleanse. And what does a deep cleanse do? It takes the oils out, it takes any dirt out. But here's the thing, you want to make sure that you put the moisture back in the hair. And so that's exactly what I do. I deep cleanse, especially when I'm doing a blowout. I deep cleanse, which means I take out all that dirt and oil and stuff. I want it clean, free of dirt. I don't want any of that. So that's what you're doing. And I'm assuming that you're shampooing twice. So if you're using sulfate shampoo, then you're drying your hair out even more. So you want to be careful with that sulfate shampoo. Look at the bottle and make sure that it says sulfate free. I have different sulfate free shampoo. I have so many different ones. I have one for itchy scalp. I have coconut. I have honey almond. I have organic shampoo. All those are great sulfate free shampoos. And it is very important that you read that bottle. It's going to dry the hair. Number 3, conditioner. Now, the conditioner is to me, is the most important part of getting that moisture in your hair. You want to make sure that the conditioner, the conditioner has sulfates in it as well. You don't want to put the conditioner on your hair and take it right off. You're not doing anything. You want to put the conditioner on your hair and let it sit for at least 8 to 10 minutes. If you want a deep conditioner, you want to make sure that it sits on the hair for at least 15-20 minutes. There's no point of you putting the conditioner on and taking it off because you didn't really do nothing. It doesn't do anything. If you put the conditioner on your hair and you rinse it right on out, you didn't do nothing. That's the first thing. And then the next thing is rinsing the conditioner out. When you rinse that conditioner out, you want to rinse it with cool water. See, I feel like I've mentioned this before because it's very, very important. This part is an important step as well. You want to rinse that conditioner out with cool water because The cool water closes your cuticle. It gives you the moisture and it seals the conditioner in it. So you want to make sure that you are doing all these things. Let's go back to number one. Number one of the reasons why your hair is dry is because of water. Number two, shampoo. Number three, the conditioner. And you want to make sure that you rinse the conditioner out with cool water. The next reason why the hair can become dry is because of the weather. When the weather changes, the hair changes as well, which is the reason why you want to make sure that you are up to date on your deep conditioner treatment, protein treatments, because it's so easily for the hair. When the weather switches up, your hair switches up. So your hair have a mind of its own, and you want to make sure that you are doing everything in your power to make sure that your hair stays healthy and that you maintain it on a regular basis. You want to make sure that if you have a stylist, that you get with your stylist and that you do these things on a regular. In the summer, the hair can also change, which is the reason why a lot of people decide to get like braids and stuff like, well, they get braids all year long, but you want to make sure that you're getting those protein treatments or in those deep conditioning treatments all year long. You want to get a steam treatment, especially for my natural girls. It's so easy for the hair to get dry, so you want to make sure that the hair is moisturized as possible. You want to make sure that you use a leave-in. Here's the thing. Everything that you use should be full of moisture. Your shampoo should be full of moisture. Your conditioner should be full of moisture. Your leave-in should be full of moisture. And the cream that you use should be full of moisture. You want to make sure all four of those things have moisture in it. This video is for my natural girls because our hair, I'm natural as well. It's so easy for our hair to get dry. So you want to make sure that all four of those things have moisture in it. And then at the end, you want to make sure that you seal it with an oil. The last reason, and this is another important one, because when I do my clients here, I make sure I tell them before they leave, please, 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 when you go in the house, to wash your scarf.
Wash your scarf.
Wash it. Also, you want, if you don't have a satin scarf, use a satin pillow. A cotton scarf is going to rub the hair out. And if you do it often, it's going to rub the hair out. Quick story, I had a client, hair is beautiful. We both noticed a change in her hair on one side. So she was concerned, and I was too, so we talked about it, and I was asking her, did she do anything different? Because I know that my routine hasn't changed. So she finally broke down and said, well, I wear my hat all the time. I had to tell her that she can't wear her hat because that the cap was rubbing her hair out. Actually, it was rubbing her hair out. She has to be careful of what she wears on her hair, so you make sure that you are wearing your satin cap. If you have any questions, please ask the questions at the bottom of this video. If you want a natural package, get the coconut, the rosemary, the organic, and the coconut, rosemary, organic, and the honey almond packages. And you can get a shampoo or conditioner, and you can also get a leave-in. It's up to you, but I will be selling those. If you are interested, please send me a message. My email is going to be at the bottom of this video, and let me know if you're interested. Also, be sure to take a look at my beauty supply store. The link will be at the bottom of this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Hopefully this video helped you all out. You want to be careful when it comes to your hair, and if you have questions, just let me know. Check out my other videos, because I got a lot of videos on natural hair, and I also did a video on myself. I did a shampoo and a conditioner on my video, which would definitely help if you have any questions and want to know how to shampoo your TWA, because I have a TWA. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check that out, and make sure you check out the products video. And the products video is going to help determine which shampoo and conditioner that you would like to try out. But again, I thank you all for coming to my channel and watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I know I said it about 5 times. And I hope you all have a great evening and a great weekend, and be sure to take care of yourself and stay safe.